So welcome back to another video, another vlog. So I just found out there's a Jamaican restaurant in West Edmonton Mall. So where am I going? I'm going to West Edmonton Mall because I've never seen a Jamaican restaurant in there. And I've heard some reviews, I've heard good and bad. Some people say the food is good, some people say the food is bad. But for me, I need to go see for myself. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, share, you know the thing. 2023. It's just time to grind and bang out these videos, man. This year, I gotta get monetized. So I need to do what I gotta do. You guys need to watch the whole video so my watch time can go up. When my watch time goes up, I get monetized. When I get monetized, I can start getting paid, okay? Thank you. That's all I need you guys to do. Just watch the whole video, share it to your friends, everybody. So, let's go to West Ed and let's go try this Jamaican food and let's see my honest review. Either I like it or I don't like it, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna keep it real. Yeah. So we in West Ed. I got the combo, oxtail, jerk chicken, rice and peas, and salad. That's what I got. See right here? So I'll try it out and give my honest opinion on it. Rice is okay. It's like a little smaller grain of rice and peas. It's very soft, but it's good. Try the jerk chicken. The jerk chicken is good. It's not spicy though. But I understand why it's not like spicy because it's in the mall. You know, people have not everyone's gonna want spicy food, but they do have pepper sauce on the side. Let's try the oxtail. The oxtail is sweet. It's a little bit sweet, but it's good. Then we got the salad. I'm not really a fan of salad. I like coleslaw. So for me, I don't want, like, I'm not with the salad really. I like coleslaw more. I like that the sweet coleslaw. But the chicken, y'all know me, I love chicken. The portion is not crazy, it's not like big, but it's a good sized portion for what you get. And you have to understand too, you are in the mall. You're not at like a Jamaican restaurant where, like, you know, your food is like crazy. Like bigger portions, depends on the restaurant you go to. But for what it is, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So I got a combo, oxtail, and I got one tropical rhythm right here. So the total was $27. $27 for the meal and a patty. So you know what I mean? Congratulations to them on opening a Jamaican place in West Edmonton Mall. The mall needs it, something different, you know what I mean? So with my opinion overall with the food, I give it, my honest opinion, I give it an 8 out of 10, to be honest. But you guys should come try it out. It's in the big food court, West Edmonton Mall. Yo, that oxtail gravy slaps. I don't know what's in it. Oh, and the barbecue, they cook it on a grill, because they have a grill in the front of the kitchen thing. Jamaican Jerk Shack, that's what it's called. So you guys can come check it out and give your own opinion, be your own judge. But I'm gonna finish this food right now. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share. Yo, the oxtail gravy is mud. I'm here dipping the jerk chicken in the oxtail gravy.